Hello everyone. Myself Siva Subramanian, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Now I am going to explain the BMC model of Novo Nordisk Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. Before going to the topic, I wish to share the few words about the concept of design thinking. Design thinking is a problem solving approach that involves understanding and addressing user needs, ideation, prototype, testing, solution. In design thinking, we have 5 pillars. Namely, first one is CLT, that is Center for Learning and Teaching, then SCD, Skill and Career Development, CFC, that is Center for Creativity, then IIPC, that is Industry Institute Partnership Cell, and finally SRI, that is Social Responsibility Initiatives. The business model canvas of the company Novo Nordisk Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, it is located in Buxbad, Denmark. It was founded on 21st December 1923, which is a public limited company, private limited. So Novo Nordisk is a Danish multinational healthcare and pharmaceutical company with over a century of expertise in chronic disease care. It is formed in 1989 through the merger of Nordisk Insulin Laboratorium in 1923 and Novo Therapeutic Laboratorium 1925. Its headquarters in Buxbad near Copenhagen, Denmark, with Novo Nordisk Pharmaceuticals Private Limited operating as its India's subsidiary. Global leader in diabetes care, obesity treatment, rare disease therapies, including hemophilia and growth disorders. Operates in more than 180 countries, that is 80 countries with the products reaching patients in over 170 markets worldwide. Employs approximately 68,800 people globally, including scientists, manufacturing staff, and commercial teams. Publicly traded as Nasdaq Copenhagen, Novo B, and the New York Stock Exchange NVO. Majority owned by Novo Holdings. The investment arm of the Novo Nordisk Foundation ensuring long-term stability, renowned for pioneering insulin delivery devices and breakthrough GLP-1 therapies such as Ozempic and Wegovy. Guided by its purpose to drive change to defeat diabetes and serious chronic diseases.
Hello, I am Prabhu, studying B.Pharm third year in SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Now I am going to share some innovation technologies, why Nordisk Pharma for us, and a business model and innovation key partners of the Novo Pharma. Innovation and technology. Pioneered modern insulin delivery through the Novo family of smart injection devices. Developed oral GLP-1 receptor agonist for type 2 diabetes, early adopter of recombinant DNA technology for large-scale human insulin. Digital health tools such as dose check and connected smart pens support personal dose guidance. Growing use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to accelerate drug discovery and trial design. Strategic collaboration with the technology firms and strengthen data-driven. Continuous investment in generation GLP, amylin and combination obesity therapies. State biopharmaceutical research center across Denmark, US and India. Advanced protein and cell line engineering capability supporting complex biological manufacturing. Commitment to sustainable low carbon green manufacturing processes across global facilities. Why Nordisk Farmers? Global leadership in diabetes and obesity care. A century-long legacy of scientific innovation demonstrates sustained competitive advantage. Diversified resistant product portfolios spanning diabetes, obesity, and rare disease care. consistent revenue growth and strong financial performance. A clear purpose of driven culture on patient illustrate values. Extensive global distribution network source large-scale market access strategy. Significant and sustained R&D investment highlight the link between the innovation and the growth. Foundation controlled ownership structure offers unique governance model for analyzing. Strong sustainability and CSR commitment provide insights to responsible business practice. Overall, an excellent, well-documented case study for applying the business model canvas. Business model canvas overview. Key partners: CMO, suppliers, CRO, regulations, formulations. Key activities: R&D, manufacturing affairs. Key resources: IP and facilities. Value propositions: life improving diabetes, obesity therapies. Assess programs. Customer relationship: patient support, digital engagement. Channel: direct sales, digital. Customer segments: diabetes patient, obesity patient, rare disease patient, hepatitis patients. Revenue system: product sale, licensing and international contacts. Core structure: R&D, manufacturing, marketing and complementary codes. Key partners: contract manufacturing organization, CMO, supporting scale up production capacity. Raw material and active pharmaceutical ingredient suppliers. CRO managing global clinical trial. Academic and research institution including Steno Diabetes Center. Technology partners enabling digital health and AI driven research. Government health authorities and regulators, FDA, EMA, CDSO. Hospital clinics and diabetes care network worldwide. Cold chain logistic and distribution partner for safe and product delivery. The Novo Nordisk Foundation providing research funding, long-term stability. Non-profit global health organization expanding access in undeserved region.
I am J. Rajastri, studying 6th semester at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Key activities: drug discovery and pharmaceutical research and development, large-scale manufacturing of insulins, GLP-1, therapeutics and biologics, management of cold chain supply and distribution logistics, patient education and diabetic and obesity awareness companion, global marketing branding and market strategies. Value propositions: life-saving and life-improving therapeutics for diabetic management, convenient, easy-to-use insulins, delivery device and smart pens, continuous innovations addressing unmet needs in chronic disease care, digital rules that supports patients in manufacturing chronic conditions. Customer relationship: long-term, trust-based relationship built with patients or other decades. Patient support programs offering guidance and treatment advice, digital engagement through apps, telehealth tools, and online resources. Sustained loyalty built through consistent product quality and reliability. Customer segments: people living with type 1 and type 2 diabetes worldwide, retail and hospital pharmacy networks, insurance providers and healthcare players, physician and diabetic care specialists, hospitals and specialized healthcare institutions.
I am Janani. I am studying B.Pharm at SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences. Now I am going to explain the channels. Direct sales for forcing emerging hospitals, clinics and specialists, retail and hospital pharmacy distribution networks, eco-pharmacy and digital pharmacy platforms, medical conference and scientific publications, corporate website and investor relationship communication channels, medical representative and healthcare providing detailing, government tenders and public sectors procurement channels, dedicated patient support lines and telehealth surveys. Key resources: proprietary insulin and GLP-1 manufacturing technology, a global network of state-of-the-art production facilities, a skilled scientific and R&D workforce and roughly 68,800 employees, research centers under Denmark, the United States, China and India, deep regulatory expertise to enabling the approvals across the global market. Cost structure: research and development expenditure across all therapy areas, raw material and active pharmaceutical ingredient cost, manufacturing and production facilities operating expenses, sales, marketing and global distributions expenses, employees' salaries, benefits and workforce development, quality assurance and pharmacovigilance system cost, cold chain logistic, packaging and transportation expenses, technology, digital infrastructure and cybersecurity investments. Revenue stream: sales of diabetes care products, insulin and GLP-1 therapies, sales of obesity care treatments such as Exinda, rare disease product sales including the Novo 7 and Novo 8, biopharmaceutical and hormone replacement therapy sales, licensing and out licensing of proprietary technologies, government and institutional supply contracts, sales across emerging and price sensitive markets, digital health service and platform subscriptions, revenue from the strategic partnerships and collaborations. Thank you.